Hello, I am Anjali Bhandari from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics Standard of 8th, Chapter number 1, Rational Numbers, Part 3. In today's session, I am going to talk about associative property for whole number, integer number and rational number. Start. This so that the grouping of numbers does not matter. We can use operation on any two number first and result will be same. Start first whole number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First start addition. If we change the grouping of whole number while adding in a case of more than two whole number, the result is same, then we will call it the addition is associative for whole number. Here, three whole number P, Q, R. So start first addition. Start first this P plus bracket Q plus R. Here P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 2, R is equal to 5. Start. Here P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 2, R is equal to 5. So first 3 plus bracket 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 2, 7 is equal to answer is 10. So here इसका आंसर मैंने ऑलरेडी करके रखा तो क्या आया 10. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. स्टार्ट. So here P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 2, R is equal to 5. Start. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So here result is same. Hence addition is associative for whole number. Start. Subtraction. If we change the grouping of whole number while subtracting in a case of more than two whole number, the result is not same. When we call it, subtraction is not associative for whole number. एसोसिएटिव के सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइज नहीं हो रही है. मैं आपको चेक करके दिखाती हूँ. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट दिस. स्टार्ट. हियर P is equal to 8, Q is equal to 10, R is equal to 2. Start. 8 minus bracket 10 minus 2 bracket over 8 minus 10 minus 2 8 is equal to answer is 0. फर्स्ट का आंसर हमारा यहाँ क्या आया 0. ओके. स्टार्ट दिस. P minus Q minus R. Here P 8 minus 10 minus R2 is equal to 8 minus 10 minus 2 minus 2 as it is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4. Sign is minus 4. Here आंसर हमारा क्या आया -4. फर्स्ट का आंसर 0 आया. दोनों आंसर सेम नहीं है. So hence subtraction is not associative for whole number. Multiplication. If we change the grouping of whole number by multiplying in a case of more than two whole number, the result is same, then we call it multiplication is associative for whole number. First check करते हैं this p multiply bracket में q multiply r bracket over. Start example. P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 5, R is equal to 2. Start first. 3 multiply 5 multiply 2 is equal to 3 multiply 5 multiply 2 10 is equal to 3 multiply 10 is equal to 30. तो फर्स्ट का हमारा यहाँ क्या आंसर आया 30. स्टार्ट दिस. Start 3 multiply 5 multiply 2 is equal to 3 multiply 5 15. 15 multiply 2 क्या आता है 30. तो यह result is same 30 और 30 whole number है. तो hence multiplication is associative for whole number. Start. Division. If we change the grouping of whole number by divide in a case of more than two whole number and result is not same, then we will call it division is not associative for whole number. Whole यहाँ डिवीजन के लिए एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही. हम लोग चेक करके देखते हैं. फर्स्ट हम करेंगे p डिवाइडेड बाय ब्रैकेट q डिवाइडेड बाय r. स्टार्ट एग्जांपल. हियर q इज p इज इक्वल टू 100, q इज इक्वल टू 25, r इज इक्वल टू 5. First 100 is equal to divided by 25 divided by 5. So is equal to 100 divided by 25 divided by 5. 5 is equal to 100 divided by 5 20. Okay. तो here 20 आंसर आ चुका है. Then start this. Bracket p divided by q bracket over divided by r. Start. So bracket 100 divided by 25 divided by 5. 100 divided by 25 4 divided by 5. 4 divided 5 answer is 0.8. So here result is not same. यहाँ फर्स्ट का रिजल्ट 20 आया और सेकेंड का रिजल्ट 0.8 आया. So hence division is not associative for whole number. Integer, operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First start addition. If we change the grouping of integer number while adding in a case of more than two integer number and result is same, so we will call it addition is associative for integer number. Start here. First p plus bracket q plus r. So example. Start. P P is equal to -6, Q is equal to -4 and R is equal to -5. Start. -6 plus bracket -4 plus bracket -5 is equal to -6 plus bracket -4 plus -5 is equal to -6 plus bracket -4 -5 minus plus 4 plus 5 9 but sign minus 9 is equal to -6 plus -9. So -6 -9 minus plus 6 plus 9 15 minus 15. So आंसर इज -15. मैंने यहाँ ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट करके रखा है, तो आंसर क्या आया -15. अब हम ये वाला ग्रुप लेते हैं, P प्लस Q एक ब्रैकेट में और R इंडिविजुअल. स्टार्ट. -6 प्लस -4 ब्रैकेट ओवर प्लस -5 is equal to -6 plus -4 plus -5 is equal to plus 6 plus 4 10 but sign -10 plus -5 is equal to plus 10 plus 5 -15. So here answer is -15. तो यहाँ दोनों के आंसर सेम आए, -15 और -15 also integer number. So result is same. Hence addition is associated for integer number. Fraction. If we change the grouping of integer number while subtracting in a case of more than 2 integer and result is not same, then we will call subtraction is not associative for integer number. यहाँ associative rule subtraction के लिए यूज नहीं हो रहा है. Let's check. P minus bracket Q minus R. Here P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 7, R is equal to 3. So 5 minus bracket 7 minus 3. 5 minus 7 minus 3 4 is equal to 5 minus 4 1. Answer is 1. मैंने यहाँ ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट करके ही रखा है. स्टार्ट. दिस ब्रैकेट P minus Q ब्रैकेट ओवर -4. स्टार्ट. ब्रैकेट 5 minus 7 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus plus, but sign minus, to -5. ओके. यहाँ दोनों के आंसर्स डिफरेंस आ रहे हैं. सो subtraction is not associated of integer number. Multiplication. If we change the grouping of integer number while multiplying in a case of more than 2 integer and result is same, then we will call it multiplication is associative for integer number. Start. Here first P multiply bracket Q multiply R. Let's start example. P is equal to -4, Q is equal to -8, R is equal to -5. So -4 multiply bracket -8 multiply -5 bracket over is equal to -4 multiply minus minus plus sign 8 multiply 5 40, 4 multiply 40 minus 160. Start. Answer is 160. Start this. Bracket -4 multiply -8 bracket over multiply -5 minus minus plus 8 4 multiply 8 32 multiply -5 is equal to 32 multiply 5 minus 160. So here दोनों के आंसर सेम आए -160. So hence multiplication is associative for integer number. Division. If we change the grouping of integer number while divide in a case of more than two integer number and result is not same, then we will call it division is not associative for integer number. Associative property division के लिए satisfy नहीं हो रही है. Here P divided by bracket Q divided by R. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हम. यहाँ मैंने किया है P हमारा -10 है, Q मेरा 2 है और R मेरा -5 है. तो ये मैंने अरेंज कर लिया. इज इक्वल टू -10. अब 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 को ऐसे लिख सकते 2 अपॉन -5 इज इक्वल टू -10. रेसिप्रोकल डिवाइड है इसलिए -5 अपॉन 2. हियर कट करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आएगा -25. अब हम करते हैं ब्रैकेट P divided by Q bracket over divided by R. Here -10 divided by 2 bracket over divided by -5. -10 divided by 2 -5 divided by -5 is equal to -5 upon -5. आंसर इज 1. दोनों के आंसर सेम नहीं आ रहे, इसलिए ये प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रही. हैंस डिवीजन इज नॉट एसोसिएटिव फॉर इंटीजर नंबर.